in this life, Esu, demon, devil, we have two biggest demon and Satan in Benin. Number one, terrorists, abat, etinomie son, etinomio ya, etinomio se, obaze, obiye, era, demon, devil himself, corrupt, terrorist founder, evil governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State. These are the two number one demons we have in Edo State. Since I was born, I have never seen where someone will be celebrating the downfall of his own Edo State brother. Then he will be saying that they have bring their father down. And I'm going to show you. And I wonder right now why people are not sending me video or voicemail. Yesterday, I repeat, yesterday, which was Wednesday, March 4th, 2020, when evil Governor Godwin Obaseki pack Edo State money and go and give it to George as a bribe. The one Inspector General of Police don't carry. And we are beginning to see what Nigerian police are doing. And very soon, we will call the Inspector General of Police out. When I know as Commissioner Gwando and Ibrahim Idris, when I know as the matter go. At the end, where are they? They are not in the office. Gwando is not in Benin. So, you know, this man carry Edo State. They say, allegedly, they said, millions, almost $500 million. When Obaseki don't hear. They try to remove Comrade Adamali Osomole from office through court. At the end of today, less than 24 hours, he go be. The money is gone. You see, as Obaseki and Benin people that they celebrate as Edo State money, he just they share and nyafu. Obaseki just they share and nyaga. God will just they bribe nyafu. $2 million US. That one just Jabrata for France. Only Ogwema talk body there. Our France. Now, recently, we are hearing that Godwin Obaseki and his number 2 man, small mosquito, Taiwo Akinyole, the chief of staff, and others, they don't share almost 500 million. If Obaseki knew that, if he knew that that is not true, he should come and tell us how much he take bribe the judiciary. How much you go take? Make you just announce, say, we don't suspend the Shomole. Abi, make you share my video. Now make a jaga take and sing. Oh, me so, if I so gioma, I dig I go. If I so gioma, I dig I be. When terrorist about Obase is not only good, and you forget that when things are sweet for good, when things are good for good, it will begin to leak salt. When things are good for good, it will begin to leak salt. But when Jabrata, good life don't scatter, don't spoil. Human being go they take salt, they eat goat. Abi, not be so. Agbogari we la wari won danaga bat ni mitena. Abati emite etinomie son. We like mo wari na agbogari we because a we in number 1 we ikebe you know ikebe he goat. We go man ikebe wan we here. Mabede o ni sagi swafwa. Obaseki o won yo o ikalo yo o ya mgo no ya se geri o na ge hen O bonisa. I mean, it could be no maladian or swaladian. Why not? Why not have you do? Oh, he ladian or baba. A picture of mammy, I'm with hen away. Oh, can I cook here? Oh, can I cook here? Oh, can I? Oh, we feel go qualico. Agbongari way. Oh, lalume. Agbonga is here way. If I'm not going to are you very way. I don't know anyone. Agbonga fieba. A Congo. A make una share this video. A video ni how no de. Odeku. Odeku. Obaseki Odeku youth. Pepper soup youth. Ya show ema waba. Share this video wagae. Watiare. Tiare. I'm who dana no mana. Osho Baba. Osho Bula is a winner forever. Oh, Osho winner. Osho quick. Osho Baba. Osho Bula will always remain a winner. Nobody can change it. Osho Baba. Go and hit transformer. Go and hit transformer. You know what I'm saying? Listen, you know what? We need to let people understand one thing. When you see people begin to celebrate evil, they begin to support evil, then you will know that they have something that they are gaining from it. And then we are going to show the whole world. You know, you can see yesterday, I came out. I told the whole world, I say, Comrade Adam Aliu Oshomole is not negotiable with Mega Comrade. I stand with her 24/7. I told the whole world, I said, I am with Comrade Adam Aliu Oshomole 24/7. It don't matter whatever happens. A man that fight a good fight and lose, that is the real man. Than a man who is afraid to fight a good fight and fight the wrong fight and win. He will always win in wrong things. As Godwin Obaseki and his political thugs, terrorists are winning on the wrong side of the history. Imagine, yesterday, look at how many millions of Edo State money. Even though, are they America? You people are happy. Now a sack of people, now it can't disappoint me past. Not be all of them, oh. Not be all of them. These some Edo people, after everything Comrade Adam Aliu Oshomole have done for them, that is now rejoicing, that is now celebrating with this useless fake, and then number one, open gay governor that is not supporting the gay community. God Almighty is watching. Let's share this video. Now Mickey Jagates talking. He said, "Ate owe uwe eri yeah." Yes. God bless you. God bless you. As you all know, this is Mega Comrade. You can know by now. You should know that that English have been stolen away from me by terrorists about Emite Obaze. The very first day he talked to me, he said, Mega Comrade, he said, I like when you speak English. You know that you always said it, as you all know, then right there. So, but they don't give me credit. If you see all comrades in Nigeria now, that is the English they are not using. And that was my English. More even English in it. I put it together. You know? When things are good, if you to name a man, why send they going? Or Aria, why send they going? No send the bad news going. Man and woman that always send me bad news, that refuse to send me good news. Now calamity go follow you. Now bad news. Now people go descend to you. Or whether I not care who you be. As you take they send me bad news and you not send me good news. Now good news will never visit you in Jesus' mighty name. Yesterday, 4+4 terrorist group platform. They were all blaming Iran Amigo. Today, they are not praising God of Iran Amigo. God of Iran Amigo, they are not praising it. It was only Iran Amigo that came out yesterday for Comrade Adamali Oshomule on social media and speak publicly. Yesterday, instantly as it happened, I came out and make my stand. That is me for you. For come, I know they use double minded the sharp person. I use my clean mind. My heart, now my the sharp person. When I'm following you, I don't care whether you stumble, you made mistake. Everybody is bound to make mistake. Nobody is perfect. I will follow you to the end. I wish I have people like that who are like me. Yesterday, when this incident happened, I'll go straight to the point. Brothers and sisters, today's date is Thursday, March 5th, 2020. This is People Freedom Movement Broadcasting Room from Dallas, Texas, United States. It's about 9:46 a.m. in the morning. United States, Texas, Chicago time. Breaking news. Osho winner, Osho Baba, have done it again. Obaseki, Odeku Youth, Obaseki, 4+4 Togba terrorist group, and Evil Godwin Obaseki have finished Edo State money. Millions of naira bribe is gone again. Why $2 million still in France as we speak. Gay Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State, I repeat, gay Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State is not only a disgrace to the gay community, it's a disgrace to the innocent poor citizen. As a gay governor, Nigeria first gay governor, I repeat, Nigeria first open gay governor, gay governor Godwin Obaseki is a disgrace to GQ, whatever they call it. It's a disgrace to the lesbian and gay community. Governor Godwin Obaseki is not only supporting a radical policy that criminalized to become gay or lesbian, he is supporting a policy that we execute, that we kill gay and kill lesbian, while himself is a gay. People Freedom Movement preach freedom for everyone. Freedom for all and freedom for life. That is our motto. We will not tolerate any administration, radical administration, that prosecute others for what they are doing. Governor Godwin Obaseki have been hiding. It is time to let the whole world know who Governor Godwin Obaseki is. We should call him by what he is. It's time for him to go and meet President Muhammad Buhari to completely destroy the anti-gay policy in Nigeria, because he's one of them. Governor Godwin Obaseki is one of them. He should not be hiding. He's a gay. When you say what somebody, mega comrade is straight. I have gay friends, I have lesbian friends, and I have a gay governor, which is unique. But the problem, hypocrisy. Obaseki is nothing but a hypocrite, a rat. How can you be a gay? The first Nigeria gay governor, Edo State, first Edo State governor, gay governor, and you are there. You are putting gay in jail. You are putting gay in prison, and you want us to support you for the second time, kill all the old gay. If they, it's like Obaseki administration they are fraudulent, they are fraudster. Obaseki administration have committed fraudulent activity. They are using government Osadebe Avenue paper to be scamming Americans online. Terrorists about etinomiation. Etinomia emite. Obase is number one. Is number one. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know, we got to call it what it is, you know. God bless America. Let's call it what it is. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Governor Godwin Obaseki is the most radical, autocratic governor of Nigeria. The worst. No electricity, no security, no job, no food to eat, no water, no road. In about 2-3 months, you're going to see the whole Edo State will be flooded again. Yeah, Duaso. Come and help us. Come and help. Right now, they are all celebrating evil. They are dancing with a girl that is putting girl in jail. Have you ever seen a straight man, a man that loves women? We tell you, if you follow women, we're going to jail you. That is Godwin Obaseki. What do you call that? Hypocrite. Governor Godwin Obaseki is a gay governor. Fine. Nothing wrong with that for me. But where we come from, in Benin, I don't know. But Governor Godwin Obaseki is there supporting Nigeria anti-gay law that criminalize gays and lesbians. It is time for the gay community in the United States, in Europe, and all over the world to call Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State out. Mayor Pete, former presidential aspirant, is a gay and is happy and we love him. He did not hide. He did not hide. He's not ashamed. He was not ashamed to tell the whole world what it is. And he's not supporting a policy that criminalizes gays and lesbians or LGBT, whatever they call it, community. Godwin Obaseki is the number one and the first gay governor in Edo State. Maybe in Nigeria as a whole. But he's the one that is killing everybody. He go kill gay physically, spiritually, emotionally, otherwise. He go kill masses physically, spiritually, emotionally, otherwise. He will kill old papa. He go kill old mama physically, emotionally, spiritually, and otherwise. Obaseki have completely manipulated the people of Edo State. Don't forget, this is a criminal mastermind. Godwin Obaseki is criminal mastermind, a Ponzi scheme architect, criminal brain boss, engineer of terrorism, a man that single-handedly funded a political terrorist group in Edo State without fear of favorable. And here you are, people are celebrating. Let me show you what happened yesterday. Gay Governor Godwin Obaseki is fighting gay community, gay innocent people, Edo innocent children, and all oppositions. Comrade Adam Aliu Oshomole is a winner and he will remain a winner. I am going to show the whole world what